Hello, my beautiful people. Back again for another unboxing. This time we're unboxing WeeBox, which you know is my favorite box. Goddess Provisions was a favorite box, but of course they've gotten rid of that model. So Spiritual Goodies and I Like Witch Casket, that's becoming a favorite box, but WeeBox is my favorite box. It is a Scottish box. It is actually not that expensive. What makes it expensive for us here in the States is the shipping, but it's always worth it. So they have this beautiful book that they put a lot of time and energy into that I don't read beforehand. I sit and have a cup of tea and I read it later. But it explains each of the gifts, and it always has interesting articles, and they have like an accompanying, I teach English. It has a corresponding Spotify playlist that you like kind of listen along to. It's really great stuff. So this is the Hogmanay box, and if you're at all familiar with Scottish history, you know that Christmas, the celebrating of Christmas, was banned. So New Year's became the bigger holiday, and that they call Hogmanay, or it's pronounced different ways, but that's how I pronounce it. And I celebrate Hogmanay and a variety of the traditions. I've done some videos on them on New Year's, which includes like reading the house and first footing and things like that. So they're, you know, I'm in love with their stickers. They know this. I'm in love with their Hogmanay stickers. This Hogmanay sticker. They always have good stickers every month. And they always have the newspaper. So what's in here? I saw previews of these, which are gloves, which I love. I just hope they fit my hands. I have paper hands. So do they fit? They fit like a glove. Look at that. They are going to go right into my coat because they are beautiful. They are beautiful gloves, and I'm very thankful for them. I knew they were coming because they had said they were coming. Oh, this is a banner. I actually have a banner that I got when I was in Scotland on the one wall, so this will go on the other wall. So it is a banner in their tweed that they, I guess it's their own WeeBox tartan. I'm assuming it's their tartan. But this is real heavy wool, beautiful. So that's going to go when my Christmas decorations come down. What is next? Oh, whiskey soap. Can you eat it? Finest triple milled soap. Oh my God, that smells good. Definitely a boy scent. You know, definitely like a boy would. But I'm in a house full of boys. They'll smell good. Finally, WeeBox. After, let's see, the oldest one's 22. 22 years. My boys will smell good. I'm going to like force them. I'm going to like go in there and use this. Oh, I knew this was coming too. This is a hot cocoa. And there's a story about the hot cocoa, but I don't remember. You can't smell it through here, but I'm totally going to make a cup of this while I read the bookie. The wee bookie. Alright, what else is in here? We have a coupon for Earth Squared, which is, I think, where they get their tartan stuff. I actually ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I'm a little worried because it hasn't arrived yet. And it has a bunch of Christmas gifts in it for my nieces. And because I got them, like, the Harris Tweed purses and stuff like that. No fault of WeeBox because I know they shipped it and I've been tracking it. And then every year for the Hogmanay box, you get a calendar. And I keep this on my desk at work. And then after the year is over, I cut the pictures out and I use those for journals, my journals. So this is an amazing box. Thank you, WeeBox. I'm wishing you all a happy Hogmanay. I hope you have an amazing evening. And I hope everybody has a good 2024. So take care. Be well. Bye-bye.